and welcome to this video on using import and export in MUSE Automator. At a high level, exporting lets you take nodes or flows from the editor and copy them out as JSON text. Importing lets you paste that JSON back into MUSE Automator to recreate the same nodes and connections. This can be done for a single node, a group of nodes, an entire flow, or a whole project. Let's start by exporting a simple flow. First, make sure you have a flow open on the canvas. For this example, we'll assume you already have a small flow, something like an inject node wired to a debug node. To export nodes, select the nodes you want to export by either clicking and dragging a box around the nodes or holding Shift while clicking each node individually. Once the nodes are selected, right-click anywhere on one of the selected nodes and from the menu, choose Export. A new window will open showing a block of JSON text. At the top of the export window, you'll see options for what to export, either selected nodes, current flow, or all flows. For this example, we'll leave it set to selected nodes, but if you want to export your entire project, you would click the All Flows option. Click the Download button, choose the location you want to save the file, give the file a name, and press Save. Your flow has now been saved to the location that you selected. Next, let's look at how to import a flow back into MUSE Automator. Open the MUSE Automator hamburger menu in the top right corner and select Import. You now have the option to paste from your clipboard, or you can select a file to import. For this example, we will choose Select a File to Import and then open the file that we previously exported. You should now see the JSON data populated in the import window. Choose Import to New Flow and then click Import. After clicking Import, the nodes will appear on your canvas. You may need to move them into position, but all connections and settings will be preserved. It's important to remember that importing nodes does not automatically make them run. We need to deploy the project in order to have those nodes work. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.